Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Sephora Play Box. I have opened it already, although I haven't peeked under the paper yet. I have opened it already because my address is all over this thing. And the only way I could get you a really good shot of it was to have it open. This is my Sephora Play for the month, November 2019. And Sephora Play is a beauty box that generally we get 5 or 6 items. They're usually samples, sometimes deluxe samples, of products that they sell at Sephora. It's a $10 box. They're usually teeny tiny samples, but they're usually really good samples, which is why I keep getting it. So let's get in here and see what I've got. On top we have our pamphlet that tells us a little bit about the month on one side, usually in hints or a story or something like that. And on the back side, it will actually tell us what we have in our box. But do you know what is missing? I didn't receive, and I feel like it would probably be here, I didn't receive my extra 50 Beauty Insider points. Usually we have a coupon right here for when you make a purchase at Sephora. You get Beauty Insider points and you can apply those towards sample products, or they have sweepstakes entries these days that you can get into using your points. It's all very unusual. But I'm missing the card that usually tells me that I get 50 extra Insider points. Did you guys get your cards this month? And then on the inside, that's telling us what's in my box. So let's dive in. We have a pretty purple bag this month. Yep, for sure there's no card in there. And it's so pretty, it matches my room. Let's see what I have. Right on top, I always love it when it comes like this. It looks so fancy, but it's going to be perfume. Yes, this is the Atelier Cologne Pacific Lime. And they always have it separate. And this is generally the bonus. You usually get 5 sample products in a bonus item that is usually like a foil packet or something like this, which is a little perfume sample. And that is what that looks like. It's just a little Atelier. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells nice, but it smells like my husband, not me. It's very nice. I wonder if this is meant for women or men, or if it's unisex, because it seems slightly masculine to my taste. This is the card, the postcard that came with it, and it's so pretty. And the Atelier Cologne is a Maison de Parfum. It's, did you see how I threw out the French there? It's Parisian. And this says that it is lime from Mexico, coconut extract from the Philippines. I got no coconut in this. And eucalyptus from China. Interesting. It just mostly smells citrusy to me, and like I said, slightly masculine. Well, let's see what the paperwork says about it. So on the inside, we have over here the bonus Atelier Cologne. This fresh citrus scent features cooling eucalyptus, transforming your home into a beachy oasis. And yes, this says it's a top lime, middle coconut, and base eucalyptus notes. All right. Let's see what's next in the bag. I have a Kiehls Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. And that is what that looks like. It's a little jar, but it's not too tiny, and it's not got one of those deep bottoms. I usually love Kiehls products, so I am for sure going to try this as long as I'm okay with the ingredients. It smells nice. I don't know what calendula smells like, but this smells nice. It's like the gels that are out now. It's very kind of gel-like. It has everything smells citrusy to me today. I don't know if it's their theme or mine. Ooh, but the back of my hand feels fantastic. Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. You deserve just because flowers. To match an equally soothing calendula flower extract packed water cream. The calendula flower is in the daisy family, and the highest concentrate of its extract, plus hundreds of micronized petals, are what makes this cream so comforting. Very interesting. I mean, it absorbs so quickly, and I am serious, very serious when I tell you my hand feels spectacular. I mean, it feels really good. I hope I can use that. Next, I have a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. And that is what that looks like. let's get in here and see what's the inside. This looks like it's from Ciate. Did I say that? I did not, but it is from Ciate. I saw their little bow that is on top. You know, their little bow, how you can tell their products. Oh, it's just pink and I like that. That's so pretty. That is what that looks like. And this says that it is exclusive to Sephora and new. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Comfort, brighten, and prep your skin for long-lasting makeup while soothing the senses with the scent of watermelon. So they've gone for, I have a lime perfume and the calendula that smells kind of citrusy, and now this is watermelon. So while we're headed into November here, they've gone full out summer with this box. So let me read the ingredients real quickly on this, and then we'll decide what we're doing. Okay, so in a really quick look-see, I think I can actually try this. So I'm going to give that a try too. In case you're wondering, in case you're fairly new to the channel, or you're wondering what ingredients that I look for when I reject something so you'll know where I'm coming from, as a rule, I can't use licorice. I am allergic to licorice, and it does bad things to my skin and my entire system. So I have to avoid licorice, and you would think, how often does that come up in cosmetics? A lot. You'd be surprised if you went and looked through some of your products, through some of your skincare products. Cosmetics uses licorice extract in almost everything. I used to love the brand, and I started anyway, licorice. I don't use retinol palmitate. It's a choice that I have made in looking at clean ingredients and what things do and how they do it. And I have read and done the research, and it is an ingredient that I have decided I don't want to use on my face anymore. So retinol palmitate, grapefruit in particular, because I have some grapefruit allergy issues. I know, licorice and grapefruit, how weird am I? And then also, because my skin is so sensitive, I avoid most of the acids and things like that, which is obvious, but I also avoid things with a lot of citrus in them. If they have like lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, peel oil, citrus oil, any of the oils, if they're really high, if they're really near the bottom of an ingredient and there's only one or two of them, I might try it because it's not an allergy. It's just generally a reaction that I have. But just so you know, that's what licorice, grapefruit, high citric, or retinol palmitate. That's what I'm avoiding. You're up to speed. In case you ever wondered, what is she looking for? That's what I'm looking for. Back on point. I have Clinique. It is brown. It just says Clinique on it. So let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's pretty. How pretty that is. It's really dark, but oh my goodness. Let's see if this used to be one of my favorite things, if I think what it is. Almost lipstick in black honey. I used this back before, many moons ago. I used to use this back when Clinique was considered one of the higher end brands. That's how long it's been. A slight wash of universally flattering color with this plum tinted lip balm meets lipstick. This used to be one of my favorites, and I think it went away for years, and I am so happy it's back, because when you put it on, you just go back and forth, and what you end up with is just a nice pink flush that is a balm that is so nice for your lips. I'm tempted to go to the store and grab a couple of these. This is fantastic. I love this. Highly recommend. That is a great sample. Next I have Living Proof Full Thickening Cream. Love the Living Proof products. I know, this is a fantastic box. I'm over the moon. This says, give your hair a little extra love with a lightweight thickening cream that adds lasting volume. Apply a dime-sized amount to strands from root to tip. I have received so much of this through other boxes, and I have loved all of them. I have a cream that I use that it's just to stop breakage and that kind of thing every day. And I have one called 5-in-1 that is also a thickening volumizing. It's part of the 5 things that it does, but it's also for anti-breakage and other things. And I love that and use it most days. So I am happy to give this a try. And this says it was chosen for my hair concern. So they're saying they looked at my profile and okay. Next and last, I have the Lancome Genifique. Look at how pretty that little bottle is. So pretty. It's so cute in this little dropper. This says, Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. Give your skin a little TLC with a serum that smooths and evens the skin tone while keeping it hydrated with bifidus extract. This says it was chosen for your skin concern. Interesting. Massage a pea-size amount onto clean, dry skin before moisturizer in the morning and at night. Okay, well, I will look up the ingredients of this and we will talk about this also. Okay, see what I'm saying? They are little. There's no doubt about it. With Sephora, you get small samples. But they're good, right? We have these. Lancome Serum. You know that's good. Living Proof Hair. I love it. And that tube is heavy, so it is full. The Kiehls Calendula. Happy to try that. I love a lot of the Kiehls products. This Clinique Black Honey, I am telling you guys, I can already tell you, I would give this 2 thumbs up and recommend it highly. And that's the Almost lipstick is what it's called. And then this is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Excellent. Oh, and our bonus, Lime Atelier. Not my favorite, but you don't know until you sniff it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon.